In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front sway bar links on this Nissan Frontier. These are located behind your front wheels. Attach the lower control arm to the sway bar. Let's get started. With the vehicle safely raised and supported, use a 21mm socket, remove all 6 lug nuts, and then pull the wheel off. And now remove your wheel. Now with the wheel off, you can see the sway bar link located right here. It does not matter where you start, top or bottom. I'm going to go for the bottom first. You can use a 19mm wrench on the specially designed cutout on the back to hold the stud from spinning. Otherwise, most likely it's just going to spin with the nut. And then a 17mm socket on the nut side to take that off. That one's loose. Let's do the same on the top. And with that, the sway bar link should come right out. There it is. Take the new sway bar link and line it up. I put a little bit of grease on the threads. I like to do that, or put anti-seize on, just so it doesn't corrode in the future. Put the mounting nuts on. At this point, you have a couple options on these new sway bar links. You can use a 24mm wrench on the back side and hold it, or you could use a 5mm Allen in the center and use a wrench on the mounting nut, whatever you prefer. Also, the new mounting nuts are 18mm in size now. Torque these mounting nuts to 62 foot-pounds. All right, that's nice and tight. Now do the same to the other side. Reinstall your wheel. If your vehicle has those center caps, you'd want to put that on now, then the lug nuts. We'll install all 6 of these, bottom them out in a cross pattern, and then also in a cross pattern, we'll torque them to 98 foot-pounds. "98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern, here we go. Double check them all. And take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.